Here are some tips for Fused Deposition Modeling, FDM, 3D printing. 1. Check your bed leveling. Proper bed leveling is crucial for a successful print. Make sure the bed is leveled and the nozzle is at the correct distance from the bed. You can use a piece of paper to check the distance. 2. Use the right filament. Choose a filament that is appropriate for your print, depending on the requirements for strength, flexibility, temperature resistance. Make sure the filament is stored properly to avoid moisture or dust contamination. 3. Set the correct temperature. Use the manufacturer's recommended temperature settings for your filament. 4. Adjust the print speed. A slower print speed can improve the print quality, especially for complex geometries or small features. 5. Post-process the print. Remove any support structures, clean up rough edges or burrs, and sand or polish the surface as needed.